Hello everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and today we're going to be doing another model unboxing. This time just one model in this box. It's a pretty big model, as you're going to see when we unbox it. Super excited for this. Had it for a while, unfortunately. I'm just getting around to unboxing it. But let's go ahead and get to it. In there. Alright. I'll show you what we got. Super excited for this. I got this from PandaFox models. Oh yes, as you can see. Oh, it's a big boy. Oh yes, it is. The Gemini Jets Antonov 124-100 Volga Dnepr. Oh, I am so excited for this. Alright, let's just see what we got here. PandaFoxToys. Alright. Perfect. Alright. So, got that. So here's the box. This is a big box. This is like the size of what a 380 or something would come in. Really thick. Standard Gemini Jets box though. So you got the aircraft there. You know, the standard back, as real as it gets, etc. Aircraft. Just normal stuff. Normal stuff, and then the aircraft again here. And then obviously, oh, there it is. This is huge, guys. Holy. Look at this. This is incredible. And then obviously you have the information here. Registration is RA, so Romeo Alpha 82078. So I'm sure a lot of you are aware that Volga Dnepr actually grounded grounded their entire fleet of AN-124s due to that crash last year in Russia. But they've since started to unground the aircraft, and a couple of them have returned to service since. They did a lot of checks and stuff, and they've approved them back for service. So it's good to know. I was kind of scared because this came out right basically before they got grounded, and then they got grounded indefinitely just so that they could check them. But they've returned them to service, which is great, and I am super excited to have this in my collection, hopefully to use at an airport, update into the future, because I'm sure these are going to be flying for many years. So, alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is a huge model. It's not like super heavy, which is, like the box isn't really heavy. It's surprising, but definitely a big model. This just looks incredible. Alright. Super stoked. Alright. Let's get this plastic off here. Oh wow, this is, oh, and this, okay, the model itself is really heavy. It's solid. It is solid. Okay. Put that right off to the side there, and we'll bring it in to focus here in a second. Alright. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a incredible model. The wing, the drooping wings, as you can see. I'm just gonna readjust the camera here. As you can see, like the drooping wings of it. Like, look at that, incredible. This is insanely cool. I am super excited for this. Oh my goodness. All right. So we'll start here in the front. We'll work our way. So here we have the front, the cockpit. So normally this nose would open up. The nose here would open up on the real aircraft. This unfortunately does not open up. Not a huge deal, but it doesn't. You got like a little door door there, and then another little door here. I believe this is a door, so it's a hatch. But yeah, so there you have AN-124-100 with the cockpit, and you got the antenna right there, which is nice. And then Volga Dnepr, VolgaDnepr.com, got that little wonder if it'll focus. I cannot read what that says. It has that little sticker right there. Maybe if I look close enough, I can see what it says. Oh, I might be in Russian. That's quite possibly why. So, yep, and then obviously the landing gear. So that big double landing gear. Front nose gear, that's so cool. So just moving along, pretty straightforward there. The engines are huge and look incredible. Good detail on them, as you can see. The Volga Dnepr looks great. Wings, as I say, the wings are really nice. Wings are good, have good detail on them. Obviously for the flaps and slats, the detail there. And then you have part of the registration on this side, so you have RA, and then you have the numbers on that wing, so 82078. But just moving along, so you have the wing, obviously drooping wing, and then at the back, you have the little emergency door right there, another little emergency escape hatch or something right there, and then the registration RA 82078 right there. Again, this is Volga Dnepr in Russian, and then you have the tail and the little Russian flag, huge tail, but great detail all along here. Turning around from the tail, you can see that drooping wing. Sorry, the box makes it look like it's drooping more on this side, but it's just because the weight is just making it sink in. But there's from the tail. I'll look at the tail. I'll show the underneath and everything afterwards. But then on this side, again, same thing, pretty much a mirror. There we go. Nothing different, minus the fact that there's a door up here, a little escape hatch there, and nothing down on this side. The engines and everything are still great looking on this side. Well, that looks like that could have been pushed up a little bit anyway. Not a problem. This just looks like it's slightly disconnected right there as opposed to like this one. You can see the difference, but that's not a big deal. So yeah, let's take a look at the underneath now. This is incredibly heavy. So this is where, if this was hollow, this door section, this whole thing would open. This is like the ramp that comes down, and then this all opens up where like a crane can come and lift stuff in and out. Obviously that's not modeled because this is just a solid metal body. And here's a huge main gear of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 2 on this side. And then on the 5 sets of 2 right there. So really, really big landing gear. Always super cool to watch it like land in videos and stuff. Then the registration's obviously on the back bottom of the wings, RA, and then the numbers there. Then the front nose landing gear, you have the doors there, and then this would be where like the nose opens up and these just kind of fold in as the ramp comes down, and then you have the detail right there for Volga Dnepr, VolgaDnepr.com. So overall, a fantastic model. It's a little greasy, which is kind of annoying. Messing it up with my fingers, unfortunately. But it came a little greasy. I don't know. These models always seem to come with that like grease greasiness to it, and it's kind of weird. But anyway, so here's the model. Absolutely fantastic. It's too bad. Well, maybe one day in the future they'll make like a interactive series for this, where like this opens up, the back opens up a little bit. I don't know if it's really possible. I'm sure it is, considering they got it done for the 747-8 freighter. But I think that would be really cool if they made this an interactive series. But overall, a stunning model. Highly recommend it. It's big, it's heavy, the detail is fantastic. I had no complaints. It is super cool. So that's the model, guys. The AN-124. Super excited to have this in my fleet. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and stay tuned for more. Have a good day, guys. Bye.